I will show you how to make the best sweet chili sauce. Full of flavour, better than any store-bought. Hi guys, how you all doing? This is an easy one today. We're going to make sweet chili sauce. Now yes, in Thailand you can buy it everywhere, but in other places obviously you can't buy it. But it's very easy to make, and if you're having fried chicken or anything, it's an absolutely superb accompaniment to fried chicken as a dipping sauce. So it's very easy to make, so let's get on and make it. Right, we're using big red chilies today. Now they don't have any heat, but they will give us the colour. And if you definitely don't want any heat, you just scrape out the white pith in the middle and the seeds. And then you won't have any, or you will reduce the heat quite considerably in your chili sauce. The heat today in our chili sauce will come from 5 small red chilies. Now we need to rough chop all of this because it's going in a blender, and we're going to just basically pulse blend to get some texture in our chili sauce. We do not want to blend it smooth, or we'll end up with just a sauce. So we would like our chili sauce to have the texture so it sticks to anything that we apply it to, especially fried chicken. Okay, so add about 35 grams of garlic. Again, just chop through and chuck it in the blender. You know, we don't need to do anything really. This is so simple. So on the blender and just pulse it. So we need to keep the texture. And that's it guys, so easy. And this is the sort of the texture we're looking for. We need a coarse texture. Okay, in a pan we want half a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, half a cup of white vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, and this is the secret ingredient to give a fantastic umami flavour, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Now you can't taste the fish in here, so don't worry about that. It does actually add a fantastic base flavour. And then obviously we put in our blended chili, give it a stir, put it on the heat and boil. Now we need to stir to make sure the sugar dissolves and it doesn't burn, but we have to bring this up to the boil, and then when it's up to the boil we'll turn it down to simmer. So simmer away until it starts to get quite thick. Whilst it's simmering, we can make a corn flour slurry. Now 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix it with some water. We need to give our sauce that nice mouth feel. You know, we can actually thicken it down naturally, taking its time to thicken down, and it will thicken out quite nicely. But with our corn flour, if we add the corn flour to our sauce and stir it in, it will give us that really nice mouthfeel that you get when you eat a commercial sauce. So that's it then, just stir in 2 tablespoons of our corn flour slurry. Don't worry, it looks white now, but it is definitely not white. It's completely clear in the sauce. It doesn't make it cloudy or anything. The sauce will keep that vibrant colour and just look like a bought sauce. It's amazing. Now don't forget, the sauce will thicken up when it cools. Now we need to give this a taste test, and the way to taste test this is on fried chicken. absolutely awesome. Right guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's very simple, very easy to make, better flavour than you can ever get from a store-bought sauce. Now if you like what we're doing, showing you real Thai food, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Mm.